I'm a train wreck, and I don't wanna be too much, and I don't wanna miss your touch, but you don't seem to care that much. I don't wanna keep you waiting, but I do just what I have to do. And I might not be the one for you, but you ain't about to have no boo. Cause I know we be so complicated, but we be so smitten, it's crazy. I can't tell what I want, neither can you. You ain't my boyfriend, baby, I ain't your girlfriend. But you don't want me to see nobody else, you don't want me to see nobody. Cause you ain't my boyfriend, and baby, I ain't your girlfriend. But you don't want me to touch nobody else, we ain't gotta tell nobody. Thought I'd end up with Sean, but he wasn't my match. And I wrote some songs about Ricky, now we listen and laugh. Even almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing, I've loved and I've lost. That's not what I see, look what I've got. So look at what you taught me, and for that I say thank you. Next say thank you. Thank you, yeah. I'm so grateful for my ex. Thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. See, I know we be so complicated, but we be so smitten, it's crazy. I can't have what I want, neither can you. But you don't want me to see nobody else, I don't want you to see nobody. Thank you, next. Thank you, next. Yeah, thank you. So I say thank you, next. Say thank you, next. Thank you, next. Yeah, yeah. Say thank you, next. Thank you, next. Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, like, comment what you want to hear next, and follow me on every social media platform ever. Instagram, SoundCloud, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Got lots of TikToks for you. Spotify, iTunes, SoundCloud, Tidal, all of it. Thanks.